Hey boss babes, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you guys saw by the title, I'm going to be packaging some of you guys' orders. Thank you so much to anybody who has shopped with me or is interested in shopping with me, or even if you just click the link to my website. I really appreciate all of you guys' support. My back into work has helped me in so many different ways. Getting to talk to you guys more on YouTube, over on Instagram, even on the YouTube community tab, just getting to speak to you guys and like hear how you guys are feeling. Talk to you guys in the Boss Babe group chat, which is thriving so far. Thank you to everyone who has joined the Boss Babe group chat. If you are interested in joining the Boss Babe group chat, check out the link in the description box. It's going to give you all the information you need in order to join the group chat and, get with some girls who have similar values, similar goals, and are equally as motivated and inspired as you are to keep your business thriving. The energy that I'm going to be harnessing in today's video is going to be associated with our root chakra. Now, our root chakra represents our basic survival needs, the basic things that we need in the back of our unconscious mind that we don't really think about. Your root chakra will help to keep you grounded and connected to the earth, and it's basically like an energetic doorway to Mother Nature. As always, I'm going to give you guys some root chakra affirmations to repeat or to even say to yourself while you're watching this video to help you manifest abundance. We're focusing on abundance, being grounded, and having our needs of security, survival, and any emotion that can directly be related to the sense of self-preservation. So let's get into our affirmations. I choose to trust the universe to guide me. I vibrate powerful, peaceful, and abundant energy and attract this energy in return. Everything I need comes to me at exactly the right place and time. I am proud of myself. I am exactly where I am meant to be. When your root chakra is balanced, you have like a natural trust in the universe to guide you towards your abundance of life that it's not necessarily monetarily related. It can be all of your basic needs. It can be peace in your home. It can be, more loving relationships. Abundance comes in many different forms. So I hope that you guys will, resonate with those affirmations, use them in your day-to-day life, and continue to attract the abundance that you all deserve. And I'm going to stop talking now and put y'all playlists on. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
너랑 나는 운명 너를 보고 싶어 꿈에 다시 와줘 a battery. Tell me that you're okay. I've been driving all day, yeah. Boy, you're my energy. All you gotta do, keep up with me. Tell me that you're okay. I've been riding all day, yeah. 너랑 나는 운명 너를 보고 싶어 다시 와줘 나는 나의 운명 yeah. 꿈에 다시 와줘 따라다 따라다 다시 와줘 나는 나의 운명 yeah. 꿈에 다시 와줘 Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me the truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right into thrive. And when I realize I was playing, living by my own rules, I need you to survive. More than anything, you're all I've ever needed. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back, oh, I'll keep running back to you. Found it in your love. How could I ever escape from you? You have captured my heart.